Hello everyone. In today's episode, I will share a very interesting result in mathematics related to coloring the patterns or even maps. Have you ever colored in a pattern and wondered how many minimum colors you need to use? And there is only one simple rule, that the two sections that share a common edge cannot be colored the same. Having a common corner is fine. Let me explain the same by taking one simple example. Consider the following figure. A group of 9 squares are given. So how many colors we need to color this pattern? Of course, if we color the each square by using a different color, we need maximum 9 colors. But the problem is we need to use the minimum number of colors. And we are focusing on the interior of this square. You may pause the video and try to attempt it. You could have used the 9 different colors, yes, but check out, we can use as only 2 minimum number of colors so that no 2 adjacent portions share the same color. And I mentioned in the beginning, if they have the same corner, only one corner point, so it is okay to have the same color over here. So that's only a corner point. A little bit more complicated. How's about it? Now this time, how many colors we need? Is it 2? Or is it 3? Or is it 4 this time? Check it out. In this case, we need the use of maximum of 3 colors as shown. So this is the first color used, this is the second color, and this is the third color used. But now, with using only 2 colors, it is not possible. Even more complicated figure this time. So now how many colors do you think we need? Will it be 4, 5, 6, 7 or what? Again, you may pause the video and try to attempt it. You will observe that even now in this case we need only 4 colors to color this pattern. You could have changed the color around a bit, but we would still require the use of maximum of 4 colors, but not less than that. This could get a bit more interesting if we want to color a map of any country. Well, since today is Independence Day, so I thought to consider the map of India. So how many minimum number of colors require? So here also you observe that we need only 4 colors to color the map of India. Let's say here is a part of Europe given. You can again check it out, only 4 colors are sufficient. What about the world's map? Yes, now you guessed it right. Whatever type of map is given to us, we would be requiring the use of 4 colors only. So here comes the 4 color theorem, which states that any map in a plane can be colored using 4 colors in such a way that regions sharing a common boundary do not share the same color. Well, let's talk about a brief history of this 4 color theorem. The 4 color conjecture was first proposed in the year 1852 when Francis Gerthy, while trying to color the map of England, noticed that only 4 different colors were needed. There were many false proofs, and a whole new branch of mathematics known as graph theory was developed to try to solve the theorem. The 4 color theorem was finally proved in the year 1976 after 124 years by Kenneth Appel and Wolfgang Haken. It was the first major theorem to be proved using a computer. So here is a task for you. Color the following figures using the maximum of 4 colors. If you like this video, you can share with your friends, with your colleagues, with your students. I'll come back again with some wonderful idea in mathematics in my next video. Till then, take care. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day.